Hello everyone, so today we will try to make some kind of like a dirt material or something like that. Like a fog probably, or a snowy storm effect, but let's say not the real one but the fake. Okay, so let's select the bulb, and I will just duplicate in order to have the inner side, and give me a second, I will try to explain it. Okay, so I just duplicated the same bulb, and we need to remove from whoops, right click and remove from this layer, just remove it, and I will hide the main glass bulb. Yep. Okay, let's rename that one to the fog. Awesome. So let's assign, right click and assign new material. It will be blend for now. Great. So let's name that blend material to fog. That's obvious. Okay, so I will remove the shininess on that material. Awesome. And I don't need that first layer of the faces. I will delete it. And for the second wave of the faces, let's go to the modeling and reverse, because the faces was let's say reversed. Great. So let's open Hypershade, and I will select the fog material. I will expand it in our view. Let's create a cloud material. I will hook the out color to the color, and again out color to the transparency. Great. So I will select this cloud material, and as you can see, we have something like that. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's try to render IPR and check what do we have. Okay, so we have something like that. As you can see, it's like a storm inside this bulb. Yeah. And definitely we can enable the glass, the on top the glass material, and as you can see with that reflections, etc., we have something like a big storm in there. It's looking pretty cool. Yeah, but I want to have something more, let's say, not so big storm inside of the ball. Yeah, so let's play with that cloud node. I will try to increase the dark color, let's say to the brighter color, because you see that it's just dark color. We have like a dirt, and I really don't like it. So I will try to move to the bright colors, and if we will go too much to the bright colors, we will lose everything. I mean, because we as well connected to transparency, and this node is not inverted, so basically the white color is removing all the values, not adding and not leaving on transparency node. Yeah. So what we want to do, we want to play a little bit with the values and understand what is happening. So as you can see, we have some kind of like a cloud. So I will try to probably increase that like a render. Yeah, in order to see better. Great. And you see it's like a fog or something like that. Yeah, like a small storm snow. Yeah. Okay. So definitely you can play with the contrast, and as well you can check the sample. So with square, in that sample you can see the contrast, how it will work. Yeah, probably I will leave it at 0.5. Amplitude, the same thing. You can check how, let's say, hard edges of that material, of that node, will be visible on the node. Probably I will hit it 0.5 too. Okay, so depth, definitely we can reduce it, and as you can see, it's like a doing like a transition or something like that. It's a depth basically. So probably I will leave it as it was previously on the 8. Yep. Okay, so ripples, it's increasing the density, like a texture's density in the UVs. So let's try to increase to 10, for example. Probably it's not so much visible, this particular case. Okay, but if you will check it in here, you see how it's changing on that texture pattern. Yep, great. Threshold, okay, for edge, it will be like blending the edges of the texture. Center threshold, it will be like this ornament of a cloud. It will take a center parts and let's say increasing the value. Okay, so let's check this out. As you can see how the value is changing. I will leave it probably to 1. Same for a center, as you can see. Yep, great. Probably I will leave it to 0.5. Transparency range, definitely, and see what is happening. Okay, just leave it to 0.5. And for a ratio, I hope you can see what is going on in this sample. Great. I don't know, it's not a big deal, to be honest. You can leave it to a 0.5. Great. It doesn't matter. Okay, so what we will do next? Probably I will play with a color, as I want to have better, let's say, visibility inside this bulb. So I will reduce a bit the color for a color 2, and will increase the color 1 closer to the white. And let's see how it will look. And to be honest, it will be pretty cool. And if you want to have that snowy effect, you can just increase, that color. You can go more to the dark side, and that's it, and you will get that stormy look. And yeah, I know that this is a cloud node, but it's looking like like a storm inside this bulb. Yeah. So I hope that you will like this effect, and definitely if you see the value in my work, my tutorials, just hit subscribe button. I will be very appreciated, or a like button. I will know that you interested in such content. Okay, so basically right now we will leave with something like this, and stay tuned.